Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to link Doomsday Last Survivors with Google. If you're looking to link your Doomsday Last Survivors account with Google, then the process is quite easy. So let's get started. First things first, launch open Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, from the home screen or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from the Commander Info section, go to the bottom left and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account. On the next page, tap on the Change Account button and click on Google from the menu. Now, if needed, you need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials in the sign in area. If you're already signed into Google on this device, then all you need to do is to allow access for Doomsday Last Survivors to link with your Google account. Simply go ahead and select your account or add your account's credentials, and you'll be able to successfully link Doomsday Last Survivors with your Google account. And that's how you easily do it. You have successfully linked Google with Doomsday Last Survivors. Now you can play the game in any device without losing your progress. If the tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.